This is a continuation of my series on electromagnetism. In this video, I will be looking at the real transformer. You can find this topic in my course entitled Electrical Three-Phase Power Transformer Fundamentals. You can access this and my other courses in my stand store at this web address. The losses that occur in a transformer have to be accounted for in an accurate model of transformer behavior. This model would have to include copper or I²R losses. Copper losses are the resistive heating losses in the primary and secondary windings of the transformer. They are proportional to the square of the current in the windings. Eddy current losses. Eddy current losses are resistive heating losses in the core of the transformer. They are proportional to the square of the voltage applied to the transformer. Hysteresis losses. Hysteresis losses are associated with the rearrangement of the magnetic domains in the core during each half cycle. They are a complex nonlinear function of the voltage applied to the transformer. Leakage flux. These are fluxes which escape the core and pass through only one of the transformer windings. These escaped fluxes produce a self-inductance in both the primary and secondary coils. In order to make the calculations required of a real transformer, we simply use an ideal transformer with add-ons that, when added to the circuit, produce the equivalent results. This is known as the equivalent circuit of a transformer. Modeling the copper losses or resistive losses in the primary and secondary windings of the core are represented in the equivalent circuit by R1 and R2. Modeling the primary and secondary leakage flux are represented in the equivalent circuit by L1 and L2. The core excitation is modeled by Lm, and the core eddy current and hysteresis losses are modeled by Rc. Anker has just released a peek at their most advanced multi-device fast charging lineup. In order to check out this advanced lineup, simply go to this web address. This video is part of my Electrical Technical Information series. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that, in my opinion, are worthy of paying attention to. This address will give you access to the supplier of aforementioned products and is also the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets.